Hi, I'm James with Inkish TV. We're reporting from the Asahi Photo Products booth at Drupa. Now, environmental sustainability is, of course, a really key theme throughout the show. And here on the Asahi booth, it is taking center stage. I'm talking to Dieter from Asahi. Thank you very much.
Hi, James.
For talking to us. So could you tell us a little bit about what you're focusing on this week and next week here at Drupa, and particularly in terms of sustainability?
Yes, thank you, James. So our focus is really on sustainability. We call it the road to Solvent Zero. And the road to Solvent Zero for us means we are aware that customer cannot do the full step. For example, we have a water wash plate solution, and we know that not everybody can invest in new machines immediately. So what we do instead is we help the existing customers. So it's about 70% of the customers. They use solvent wash equipment, and then we have developed a solvent wash plate, and that plate reduces 30% of the solvent of their process. So that is actually a really nice way also for these customers to start something. And here you can see we have actually just recently won the award of the US FDA Sustainability Award for this new plate.
And so the advantage of this is for those customers of yours who can't yet fully make the transition to water wash plate technology, they can, without having to upgrade anything or without having to install new equipment, they're able to immediately cut their solvent use by 30%.
Exactly, that is, you explained it well. We have said from our company that we would like to guide our customer until 2030 not to use any solvent plates anymore. So actually we, from our side, we would stop that production of solvent plate. And this is, we call it, it's a bridging plate to help them to move to a water wash plate solution.
And of course, for those customers who want to take the plunge more quickly and install a sort of fully integrated plate making workflow system that is using your water wash plates, that is already available, and you're having a number of customers installing that equipment at the moment.
Exactly, so we have that plate available. We had it already since 10 years available, but now the latest version is also introduced here on Drupa, which is actually a new version without the need of any additive. So in the past, we needed detergent, industrial detergent to wash out the plate. Now we just need the water, the tap water. So that is really helpful for the customer and reduces in total also the water waste. In addition, we have a wastewater recycling unit. So in that combination, we can completely, 90%, completely recycle that water. And that itself is, I think, also a solution better than much better what we have currently also for the other market.
So Inkish TV viewers will be able to see online already an interview we did with a customer of yours, ACM, a flexible packaging converter based in Italy, and they're a user of the loop recycling system, water recycling system that you're talking about, and of course also your water wash plates. They won an award just last night, you were telling me.
So there is really exciting news, actually, it's just in time. So last night there was a European FTA Diamond Award ceremony. So Diamond Award means only the companies who have already won a gold award in their country can go forward to this Diamond Award. So actually in that category, that is UV label on film, they have won the best of the best in that category. So we are really proud about that ACM has won this category. And if customers want to come here to our booth, they will get a free sample. So they can see why they did actually win this award. Yes.
Now, another key focus on your booth is your Crystal Clean Connect technology. Could you tell us a little bit about that project and what it can provide to your customers?
Exactly. So the Crystal Clean Connect is a development together with ESCO and Kongsberg. The idea is really to cut down the labor cost time, not because only for the cost itself, but also it is in our industry very difficult to get skilled labor. So for that reason, we developed that machine together. And usually, if a customer has a production line, that normally has a capacity of something like 24 plates a day. But if you make one plate, you need 36 minutes of operator time to produce that plate. So that means you cannot do that one line with just one operator. You need two operators. Crystal Clean Connect instead only needs a total of 1 hour operator time for producing those 24 plates. So that is really addressing the automation, and we can reduce the plate making steps from previously 13 to just 1.
So the labor saving sort of advantage, I guess, is a key, as you say. All sorts of companies in all sorts of industries, not just our own, are struggling to recruit operators, employees. So there's the sustainability angle and advantage, but also the automation in terms of increased productivity. Do you feel those are the kind of main motivations for companies looking at that technology?
Right, that is main motivation. And if you search what is available in the industry, most of those solutions going in the direction of automation are solvent wash machines. So this is not solvent. This is again a water wash processor. So that is really it's a world's first. And also the technology until the cutting is also not available. So I think for really big, large converters, that is really the way to go forward. And we can see that request now more and more on this Drupa. So that is really nice.
So the technology is being well received. How busy has the booth been in the first few days of the show?
It has been really busy, and what I can see also has changed a little bit. That not only printer or typical repro houses come to our booth, but also now brand owners come for the first time to our booth. So for me, that was really a nice new learning. In the past, I visited many brand owner conferences, but usually they are only looking to go for the next step in the value chain, for example, the printed substrate. But now they are really taking more concern about how the print production is in terms of sustainability. So that was for me a very nice learning. And also in the discussion with the brand owners, we also arranged some new projects now for the time after Drupa.
That's very interesting. And so the converters, your potential customers, can even be kind of encouraged towards adopting this kind of technology through their customers, the brands themselves.
Exactly.
They're actually specifying, we want the processes to be as environmentally sustainable as possible.
Exactly, and I think you can really smell the wind of change now. So I think it's going in that direction, and so we are ready for it. We have all the products, and we are very proud that we have the chance to talk to those people.
That's great. Well, Dieter, thank you very much indeed for your time. We hope you have a really good rest of the show.
Thank you very much, James. Thank you.